Right now, as you sit here watching this video, Earth is moving through space at nearly 30 kilometers per second. You don't feel it, you don't hear it, but you are traveling incredibly fast through a region of space filled with danger. All around us, there are objects drifting silently. Asteroids, comets, fragments of rock and ice left over from the birth of the solar system. Most of them will never come close to Earth, but some will. And all it takes is one. One large asteroid on the wrong path, and everything changes. Civilizations collapse, ecosystems fail, entire species disappear. This has happened before, and it will happen again. So here's the question. Why hasn't it happened more often? Why has Earth remained stable long enough for life to survive, evolve, and eventually become intelligent? The answer may not be luck. It may be something far larger, something watching over the inner solar system. A giant, so massive that it bends the paths of danger itself. Jupiter. Jupiter is not just another planet. It is the largest object in the solar system after the Sun. More massive than all the other planets combined. If Earth were the size of a small marble, Jupiter would be a massive beach ball. Its gravity is enormous, so powerful that it affects objects millions of kilometers away. In fact, Jupiter is so massive that even the Sun is slightly influenced by it. The two don't simply orbit in a straight line. They orbit a shared center of gravity. That's how powerful Jupiter is. And that power extends far beyond the planet itself. It reaches into space and reshapes the motion of everything around it. To understand why Jupiter matters, we need to understand what we're up against. The solar system is not clean. It's not empty. It's filled with debris. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky fragments. Some are tiny, others are hundreds of kilometers wide. Beyond Neptune, there's the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects where many comets originate. And even farther out, there is the Oort cloud, a massive, distant shell containing trillions of icy bodies. These objects are not stable. They move, they collide, they get disturbed. Sometimes, a passing star or a gravitational interaction sends one of these objects inward, toward the Sun, toward the inner planets, toward Earth. And when that happens, the results can be catastrophic. This is where Jupiter changes everything. Because of its massive gravity, Jupiter acts like a cosmic gatekeeper. As comets and asteroids travel through the solar system, they are influenced by its pull. Some are captured, some are redirected, and many are completely ejected out of the solar system before they ever reach Earth. Think about that. Jupiter doesn't just sit there. It actively removes threats. It bends the paths of dangerous objects. It reduces the number of potential impacts. It acts like a shield. We've actually seen this protection happen. In 1994, a comet known as Shoemaker-Levy 9 was pulled apart by Jupiter's gravity. It broke into pieces. Then, one by one, those pieces slammed into the planet. The explosions were enormous. Each impact released energy far greater than anything humans have ever created. Dark scars appeared in Jupiter's atmosphere, visible even from Earth. Now imagine if those fragments had hit our planet instead. The outcome would have been devastating. But they didn't, because Jupiter was there, taking the hit. Now imagine removing Jupiter entirely. No giant planet, no gravitational barrier. Asteroids and comets move more freely. More objects reach the inner solar system. More collisions. more extinction events, possibly so many that complex life never has the chance to develop. Think about that. Without Jupiter, you might not be here. Jupiter does not support life. It has no oceans, no continents, no civilizations, but it may have made all of that possible somewhere else. Here, on Earth.